We're putting in the table.
And maybe we could sleep in it tonight. We're Erin and Brandon. For the past 3 months, Brandon has been leading this van conversion and has done an amazing job with every aspect of the build. Being that this is our last week before we head out on our road trip, we're really getting down to the details and design of the van. It's time for me to get my hands dirty. I'm very impressed with my mother. She's never made a cushion like this before, and obviously I have not either, but we just did it.
It literally looks professionally done.
It does.
It does.
Look at,
Don't put the camera too close.
no, look at, put it close. Look at all this.
Look at the seam. Wow.
This is Schumacher fabric, and it is high performance. So if it happens to get wet or the elements get to it, it's not that big a deal, but it's super soft. I love the color, and I'm really happy. I'm proud of you, Mom. Okay, this is gonna be the first test. We still have to finish sewing it up here, but I couldn't wait, and I just wanted to see what it looked like. Here we go. I think that looks awesome.
I think it looks so good.
This morning, my mom and I got a lot of work done. We finished the bench cushion and 3 different curtains for the van. We still have more to do, but I'm really happy with our progress. One thing that has been on the bottom of the list, the last thing to do in this van build, is the floor. And now it's time. We've reached the bottom of the list, and now it's time to do the floor. And once again, I always travel with backup, so Mama Lions is here to help me. I wouldn't say she's my sidekick, I'm more like her sidekick. She does the heavy lifting.
Let's not destroy the place. Put up your scissors.
Okay.
No, this way.
Also, if you guys are interested, we're gonna be putting out some merchandise soon, so be on the lookout for that. This is a prototype. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure to do that so that you can be updated on all of notifications and everything going on at Traveling Atlas.
Hey, we're putting in the table.
Whoa.
I don't know why I'm clapping, but we're gonna do it. I already drilled the first hole, and I gotta drill 3 more, and then we're gonna mount this puppy up. Woo!
That looks good.
Erin,
Yes.
back.
So you can swivel it 360 and also swivel this 360. Then this table can always be adjusted to come off. All right, let's get this table on.
It has been a very rainy morning, so we haven't gotten a lot done so far today, but we just brought the mattress outside since it stopped raining so we can check how it fits in the van because it is a little bit too big and we're gonna have to cut it. We have an electric knife here, and we've read that this is the best way to cut a foam mattress. Apparently it cuts like butter, so I'm excited to try it. Ooh.
Like butter.
Fun. It's fairly firm, molds to the body, pretty comfy, I guess. It'll do. So if you know us, we love avocados, And if you know me, you know my love for all of the pillows that we made. My mom and I made them a couple weeks ago, and I've just been waiting to put them into the van until we had the mattress and comforter and everything on. And maybe we could sleep in it tonight. Ah. The last addition is the new pillow that matches the cushions. My mom just finished it. Mom, what do you guys say about it? Oh wow. This is comfy. Right now, Brandon is working on the door for the toilet, so when you walk into the van, you're not just seeing a toilet right out in the open. I feel like putting the mattress in there has made such a huge difference in making it feel like a tiny home. So I teach yoga at the beach on Wednesday nights, and since we're leaving on Monday, this is going to be my last class. A lot of our friends and neighbors at the beach have been following Traveling Atlas for a while, and they've been dying to see the van, so we are actually going to drive it down to the beach tonight, show everyone the van before yoga, and then have a beautiful sunset yoga on the beach.
This is absolutely beautiful.
Oh
my God,
My
look
mom
at
made
that.
this little butt.
I love it. Oh my God, this is so.
Oh, let me turn.
Look at this.
Wait, what if it's like solar panels on the top? So. Shoulders away from your hips, rotating the upper arms out, relaxing the forehead onto the mat. This is our first night sleeping in the van. Now that we have the mattress in, we are gonna test drive it.
I'm gonna go to sleep because we're very tired.
Night, babe. Good night. So this afternoon I worked on installing the automotive carpet where the insulation is still showing with my mom. I painted the door and the wall for underneath the bed where the toilet is gonna go. And I did a whole lot of shopping. Now I am going to start packing things into the van because it feels really weird, but we are leaving in a couple days. So not only do we have to finish the van, we have to pack and get everything ready. Excited, nervous, anxious, everything in between.
Today was a bit of a stressful one because for a couple hours today I thought that our solar panels were broken. It was really devastating because I thought we were gonna have to stay. I didn't think we could go, but I found out after contacting the support line for New Power, which is the company that we got our solar panels from, I finally figured out the error in my ways. Moving on. Here's the door. It's not pretty because that's the plywood I had left and it was a little janky, but hopefully we can put some artwork or something there to cover it up. But the last piece of the puzzle is to put a little latch on the side so that when we're driving, the toilet doesn't swing out, because it's gonna be 40 pounds of, well, 40 pounds of excrement. Anyway.
Now that everything has really come together, we can start doing little details and finalizing everything to make it look cute, cozy, and comfortable. The 3 C's, I guess. Fun stuff brewing. And now I'm gonna get to cleaning because tonight we're having a van warming party. I'm with the
kind of in an underhanded way.
It was like a back 2, 3. Like and subscribe.
Oh, sorry.
That was my elbow.
Just come birthing a cow. Whose house is this?
Happy birthday, Nancy. Sorry we missed your party. Working on the van.